Halo.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
May I can sit here?
Oh, sure, sure. You can sit.
Thank you.
Yeah. By the way, who are you?
Fadel gitu. My name is Fadel and who are you?
My name is Dimas and why are you here? Tiga.
I'm here because my class is finished. And why are you here too?
I'm meeting my friend. He coming late in here. Yeah.
Okay, because we don't have anything we want to do and you waiting your friends. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas. I am 60 years old and I'm currently studying in Polytechnic IDN with you. Maybe uh, I don't know you. I'm first to meet you, and I love technology, programming, and learning new things. Okay, I'm here for 5 months. I start during high school and I've been improved ever since. And I'm from uh, Citra Indah, you know lah, Citra Indah City in Jonggol, and I uh, am going here with my motorcycle and maybe nothing anyway. I love empek-empek food in he from the Palembang, and I love some drink is the milk cocoa or chocolate milk, and the feel I feel in here so very vibing, or I don't know what I'm saying, very calm, and the very smell village. And in my home I have one brother and one sister. uh, Maybe I'm go home in 6:10 o'clock. uh, 10 o'clock. And then when I first entered college, I had an impression that I will never forget. It happened on the very first day of orientation. Our lecturer asked every new student and to stand in front of the class and introduce themselves. And though the introduction was simple, I feel extremely first because in the first time and I had to speak in front of so many unfamiliar face. When I was waiting for my return, my heart was beating fast. I keep the repeat my introduce in my head. I try not to forget anything important. When the leader finally called my name, and I stood up slowly and walked to the front of the room. Alpha's voice was shaky. Introduced myself by saying my name, where I came from, uh, jungle. When I say later, and what you wanted to study in the future. But after a few seconds, I start to feel more comfortable. Some students smile angrily, and that helped me relax. I even managed to add a small joke about how uh, bad I am at remembering names, and the wall was low. It made me feel confident. After I finished the letter note and said my introduction was clear and confident, I walked back to my seat feeling grateful and proud that someone told me that introduce myself is not something to fear. It is actually an opportunity to show who I am, to connect with older and to build new relationships. Today, whenever I need to introduce myself in new place, I remember that first experience. It wasn't perfect, but it helped me grow step by step, and also me that confidence comes from trying not from waiting until I feel ready. That's it. And how about you?
Okay, what's about me? Uh, okay, now I want to tell you about me. Maybe I want to tell to you a story about me. Uh, Last semester, I had an experience that uh, that I will always remember. It happened during my first week in this place. In this place, I don't think I can I can approve in this place because maybe my value of myself is not good, but uh, I'm very happy because I approve in this place. Okay. Uh, Now I want to tell you what why what about me. I'm come from Lampung, the Sumatra, and I live now in a boarding house not far from here, maybe 500 meters from here. And the my boarding house is not far from mosque. The mosque is name is Nurul Huda Mosque, and my color of my boarding house is green, and I live here for 50 month, fifth month, 5 months, and in the next month I want to Maybe I want to change my boarding house. I want to change my boarding house because now is my boarding house is most expensive for my money, and I want to change my boarding house to more cheaper than my boarding house now. And in the long term, I hope to live as a life that that is meaningful, not just successful. I want to help others, share knowledge, and create something valuable for society. Whether it's through my career, community work, or personal projects, I want to be someone who makes a difference, even in small ways. Okay, uh, and before I ended my introduction, I want to share one thing I believe strongly. We are all still growing. No matter who we are or or where we come from, we have the potential to become better. And the best way to start is by knowing yourselves, our strengths, weakness, dreams, and fears. That is why introduction like this matter. They remind us of our journey and the path we still want to walk. So, I repeat myself. My name is Fadel. I came from Lampung in the Sumatra. I am passionate about learning and improving myself, and I'm studying in this place, in this Polytechnic IDN Polytechnic. And I am working towards become a better version of myself every single day. Okay, and maybe I want to tell you, uh, studying in the programming, I want to be full stack development. I want to making many websites, many applications, and that is can make me better than now. Okay, uh, I continued my introduction, and now let me start with my background. I was born and raised in my hometown, and my hometown is named is Metro. That is in the Lampung, in the Sumatra, a place that has shaped a lot of who I am today. Growing up, my family taught me the importance of humility, responsibility, and determination. Even though, even though we weren't perfect, we always support one another, and that taught me how to overcome a challenge with patience and positivity. Those early experiences helped me build the character that I carry with me today. When I was younger, I was naturally curious. I love asking questions about everything, how things work, and how the world keeps changing so quickly. The curiosity eventually grew into a strong interest in learning new skills. And I grew older. I began to explore different fields such as technology, communication, creativity, and personal development. These areas still play an important role in my life today. One of the biggest influences of me was my education. I am currently studying in the field of I am currently uh, and now I am studying in this place because uh, I don't know. I think before this I can approve in this place, but thank you for Allah because I approve in this place. I am very happy and I hope I can study and I can study with very good and nice and smart and don't be lazy or maybe surrendered on I hope I don't know I hope I don't do that. And during my time in school and college, I've had many experiences that shaped my identity. One of those experiences was participating in group projects and presentations. At first, I was not confident. I used to worry about speaking in front of people. But as time went on, I learned to push myself. I learned to prepare better, to organize my ideas clearly, and to communicate more effectively. This experience helped me develop my communication and leadership skills. And now I feel more confident when speaking in front of an audience, like I am doing right now. Outside academics, outside academics, I also have hobbies and interests that I truly enjoy. I like reading, I like read and swimming and maybe playing some things. And these activities help me relax and stay productive. For example, when I work on read, it gives me space spending to think creatively and improve myself. I also enjoy spending time learning new things online, reading books, and exploring ideas that inspire me. I believe that hobbies are not just for fun, they help us discover our potential and keep our minds healthy. Another important part of my story is my personal values. I strongly believe in kindness, discipline, and continuous improvement. I try to treat people with respect no matter who they are. I believe in doing small things consistently because small effort end up to big results. And most importantly, I try to push myself to be at least a little better today than I was yesterday. These values keep me grounded and motivated. Of course, life, like everyone else, I have faced challenge. There were moments when I doubted myself, when I felt overwhelmed, or when I didn't know what to do. But I learned that challenge are not obstacles. They are opportunities. Every difficult moment teaches us something, whether it's patience, strength, or resilience. I am grateful for the obstacles I faced because they made me stronger and more mature. Now, let me talk a little about my goals for the future. I want to continue improving myself and becoming someone who can contribute positively to the community around me. I hope to build a career in maybe I want to go to the Japan or Russia or another place, another region, another country. a path that I believe suits my skills and passions. I also want to develop myself in areas such as public speaking, leadership, creativity, and problem solving. And now, because I'm school in this place, I want I also want to develop myself in areas of full stack development for the website and applications, the websites and applications. I believe the future is full of opportunities for those who are willing to grow and adapt. Okay, that's all about me, and about you too. You tell about yourself. And now we know about ourselves together.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
see you later too. Thank
my
you.
friend is
Thank you.
coming. Maybe we can see you later.
Okay, see you later too.